Hi, I'm Chuck Short, Director of Network Solutions here at the Proud Company, and I'm the guy that gets you connected. Ethernet, Wi-Fi, cellular or serial, Gigabit 11N, LTE or Modbus, I have a device connectivity solution for you. Today we're going to demo some of the Moxa Industrial Ethernet products. We have here the EDR 810 router, we have the EDS 405A switches, the P510E and the P510A PoE switch, along with an IP camera, an N access point client, and a Modbus Ethernet converter. Also, we're going to show a demonstration of MXView, which is Moxa's industrial network management software. So with that, I will start with showing that how this MXView industrial management software is free for up to 20 nodes and can be licensed for up to thousands of nodes. Moxa's MXView gives you a graphical representation of your entire network, showing all the devices and the connectivity between them, along with things such as what port it is. On the PoE switch here, we can see how much power is being delivered to this camera right on the graphics here. We can also go onto any device and right-click on it and do a bunch of different things such as the panel and get a view of the panel. So it gives you a full representation. You can look at what port it is. The green, of course, means it's plugged in and active. You can see that we have power on the port. You can also do such things as to go right to the web console of the device and log into it. I'll just show you that right here. So you can actually manage your entire network from this one screen. You can also do other things such as firmware updates. And under maintenance here, we can do firmware upgrades, change the models, configure IP traps, just about anything here from this one screen. Now what I'm going to do is break a link and just show what happens graphically whenever I break a link. You'll see that the one is turned red right here to show that that network port is open. It is also logged that the link is down and that the turbo chain has changed topology. So this is all logged, and you can store this information and go back and look at the time. It's time stamped and date stamped, so you can actually see what happened on your network at any time when it happened. So I'll plug that back in, and in a little bit of time it will actually come back, and the link goes back, and now it shows that it's back, and this is actually blocked. So like I say, you can get this for free for up to 20 nodes. It's worth a try. Just go on Moxa's website and look for MXView. With that, now I'm going to go into a little bit of the topology of our demonstration here. We have two switches here, one being a layer 3, the EDR 810 router, connected to another layer 2 switch in a turbo ring configuration. Turbo ring is a Moxa proprietary failover scheme for ring topology, which guarantees 20 millisecond failover for up to 250 switches in the ring. There's no hit on time taken when you add switches like there is in some other manufacturers. And with that, we have coupled turbo chain, which we have here. We have a head, member switch, and a tail switch basically chained onto the ring. And this again has the same failover time, along with 250 switches in each of the turbo ring chain. So you can have multiple chains on these switches. You just keep chaining them on. Turbo chain is proprietary, but you can't connect it back to any switch that can support rapid spanning tree. So you could connect it to a Cisco, Hirschman, whomever. Now what I'd like to demonstrate is how fast turbo chain or turbo ring converges when there's a break in your network. Up on the screen we have a camera sending 30 frames a second at HD, and we have this fan with a little Kleenex in front of it. As you can see, the oscillations of the Kleenex. So the video is changing all the time. And I'm going to break the turbo chain, and you can see that the switches have reported everything down, but you never saw any glitches in the picture at all. We've been streaming that thing the whole time and nothing happens. I'll now plug it back in to show that the ring is converged. The switch is all happy, and as you see, everything just kept flowing. The data never stopped, only for that brief period, like 12 to 15 milliseconds, when the chain had to reconverge. So this is what you want to use on mission critical systems where you can't lose data, or you want to lose scans on PLCs or things like that. You want to choose a thing like Moxa's turbo ring or turbo chain. Either one of them will work. As you can see in the demo, we have a ring right here in the red, and the turbo chain in the white cable. So you can mix them, mix and match ring and chain for whatever you need to meet your network needs. Again, this is Moxa's managed switches, which do turbo ring, turbo chain. We also have wireless Ethernet products, cameras, field bus converters. Please contact me, Chuck Short, at Proudco for more information. Thank you.